What's up, Pyros? So I got all these fiberglass tubes. Got those, and I don't know, I got a box full of them. So we're gonna make some racks out of them today. So I'll show you the progress and how I build my racks. I put spacers in between them. And we'll try to build a 50-shot rack, but I don't know if I have enough for 50, maybe a 25-shot. We'll see what I got. And we'll go from there. And there's the finished product. Made a 20-shot rack out of these fiberglass tubes. There's no reason to throw them away. A lot of people do, but these work good. They're not the Excalibur tubes, but I have a shit ton of them. The HDP pipes. But these work just nice, just as well. That's what you call a poor man's rack, but it don't have to look poor. You can paint that up and make it look pretty sharp. My daughter, she'll probably paint it pink. Pyro out. Well, there's the finished product, Pyros. We decided to paint it black. It's all black, 20-shot rack. Don't look too bad, too shabby. I got to build me probably 3 or 4 more. I want to have about 300 shots this year. Last year I had about 150. So we're going to try to get around another 150 tubes and do about 300 shots. So, well, there she is. Very easy to build, and put some paint on it so it don't look so bad. Power out, Texas 5.